Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So the time is currently 6:35 and I'm just gonna lie in bed for a little bit and watch YouTube until it's time to wake up. Okay, so hi guys, I finished watching on my iPad and then normally what I do is I open my blind. Okay, so I don't really know how to close those blinds properly. I mean open them. But yeah, next I make my bed. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I finished making my bed. And this is how my room looks like. The rest of our house is quite messy because we're doing renovations. So the next thing I normally do on a weekend is I feed my rat. Say hi, Poppy. This is Poppy. So I'm just gonna feed her. She gets 1.5 scoops a day. It's really sad because her sister died 3 weeks ago. And it's really sad and she's very sad. See how dirty her water is? So I change that every day. So I just cleaned her water and replaced it with some clean water. So let's go give it to Poppy. There you go, Poppy. If you listen carefully, maybe you can hear her chewing. She's very cute. Next thing I do is pick out my outfit for the day. So this is my outfit. Okay, then I normally just wash my face. This is pure soap. Okay. And then guys, I just do my hair. So I'm thinking of a high pony today. Okay, so I made my high pony. Now I'm going to do my face skincare routine. Okay, so I'm going to use this for my face. So I just apply it to my forehead, my nose, and my cheeks. And then I rub it in. You might not get this where you're living because if you didn't know, I live in South Africa. So I have some different products than you. Now I'm going to be doing makeup. I don't usually do makeup, but I'm doing it for you guys. So I'm going to start off with some mascara. Okay, so mascara done. What do you think? I didn't curl my eyelashes today because the curl is downstairs. So not today. And then I'm going to be putting on some lipstick. You probably won't get it where you're living, but anyway. Okay, I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup today because I'm not going to be looking great for anyone today. So yeah, that's my skincare. Meet you when I go have breakfast. I'm going to be making a protein shake bowl. 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, a 1/2 cup of blueberries, a frozen banana, a 1/2 tin of coconut cream, a tablespoon of peanut butter, smoothie is done. I think it looks really good. And I eat this every morning and it's really healthy and really good. So I'm just gonna go eat it. Okay, so I'm done brushing my teeth. Okay, so that's my weekend morning routine. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please write down below what kind of videos you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Bye!